How to fix Intune Company Portal app not working. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your portal application is not working, firstly check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a better Wi-Fi or enable your mobile data or cellular data. If not, you can turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. You can also try by restarting your device. If that does not help, there might be a technical glitch issue. To solve it, you can launch your phone settings. In your phone settings, navigate to the option of apps. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon and search for Intune App Portal. Now in the app info, you need to force stop it, head over to storage and cache and clear it up. Last but not the least, you need to check for any available update. In order to do so, tap open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Intune Company Portal. If you find any of the update button, just leave your application for an update. If not, uninstall your application and reinstall it later. And that is how you'll be able to fix your application not working. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.